Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Days Kitchen, the Freeze Drying Academy. Alright, so today we're going to be doing something really cool and crazy. Alright, what do we got? Two different items. Number one, blueberries. Really, no big deal on that, just regular blueberries. But I'm going to show you an easy method on how to make them work for you. Because if you take blueberries and just throw them in the freeze dryer, they're going to explode. And there's a lot of tools out there that you can buy for it called something berry roller or something. A couple $100 tool just for making blueberry. Crazy Dave found a solution for under $3. That's right, under $3. I'm going to show you that later on in this episode. All right, what's the second thing I got going on for you is burgundy mushrooms. Now go back and go through your file search on my history and look up burgundy mushroom done in the Instapot. Now, you got to do that first. Then, come back, and I'm going to show you how we're going to take those burgundy mushrooms as an experiment. We're going to freeze dry them to see if they come out even better. Well, you're watching Crazy Dave's Kitchen, the Freeze Drying Academy. Sit back, relax, enjoy as we venture into the unknown world of freeze drying. All right, guys, welcome back. So now what I'm going to do is go into my freezer because this freeze dryer is ready to go. So first I'm going to go ahead and open the doors. That way there I can go ahead and put those trays right into the freeze dryer. So first let me go to my freezer over here. And I know it's a little off camera. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. And right now we're going to go ahead and look at the blueberries. We got the blueberries here. We got more blueberries. We've got the burgundy mushrooms right here. And another tray of burgundy mushrooms. Well, I got to go ahead and load these in the trays. And then turn this machine on. Now everything has been loaded into the machine. It's ready to go. But I promised you earlier that easy hack on perforating those blueberries so they don't explode. Well, here we go. Alright, welcome back into the kitchen here. Well, I'm going to show you the hack. Alright, now the thing is actually called, I think it's called roller berry or something like that. It's like $200 and something. If you Google it, you'll find it. Other people use little rollers, but this trick seems to be the best. Here we go. Ready? A comb. That's right. A comb that you use for your hair. Walmart. They're like under $2, like $2.50 a piece. I like the metal ones because I'm afraid that the plastic ones might break. But check this out. So come over here. We got some blueberries laid out. And this is what I do. I just start smacking them. And they will actually go up onto the comb. Okay. Now we're just going to move it off to the side here. But normally you would use a different type of tray. Once they're pierced, pull it off. Put them off to the side. Come back. And do the same thing. You're just going to basically smack them until the comb fills up. Like so. Pull them off. Boom. Now you got to remember, do not use this comb for your hair and then as your food. Now that's a really cheesy hack there. And I don't want to know about that one. But this one is specifically used in the kitchen. It's a really good hacking tool. And there we go. We're pretty much done with the blueberry. But the reason why I also like this is, if you want to put it into an onion, you can use it as a guide for onion. You can use it as a guide to slice your banana, tomatoes, anything. This is an amazing kitchen tool for $2.50. That is a Crazy Dave hack. It's been about 24 hours now that the mushrooms along with the blueberries have been in the machine. Right now the machine is set on the extra dry time. Remember, always set your extra dry time for 24 hours. That way there in case you get distracted or you have other obligations, like in my case, I had to work today. So right now we're going to go ahead and hit cancel. And remember, we just cancel gets you back to the main screen. I'm going to go ahead and kind of like hit no defrost here because I like to let the machine just kind of defrost on its own. The machine's going to turn off here in 1 second. There we go, just now did. We're going to open up the vacuum over here. And if you remember, I've got a second valve on the other side over here. And that's my drain valve. So you want to open up both of them. Kind of helps relieve the pressure that's on the door here. All right, we're going to open this baby up. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out the blueberries. We're going to show you what those look like in 1 second here. And those look actually amazing. Let me go ahead and try one. Let's see. Look kind of cool. Ooh, they're really crunchy. Almost like a candy. But they're actually pretty good. No wonder why my wife loves these things. So let's go ahead and zoom in on here. Let's take a look at what these blueberries look like. So that with the blueberries. So now we're going to go ahead and pull out the mushrooms. Now the mushrooms dehydrated very well. We're going to go ahead and take a look at that. And then we're going to go ahead and taste test it. Let's see. Oh man. Now remember, these are the burgundy mushroom, the burgundy type of mushrooms that I do in my Instapot. I slice these up. Man, oh man, these are 100% absolutely amazing. Man, you just crunch on them by yourself or even put them on top of something. Oh man, I highly recommend you guys go back, watch the video for the burgundy mushrooms in the Instapot. Gotta do this. Then pull them out, slice them up, put them on your trays, put it into your freezer, then put it into the freeze dryer, and you're gonna have an amazing product that people are gonna be begging for you to freeze dry these mushrooms. Well, there you guys go. This is Crazy Dave, and I'm out. I'll see you next time.